Yo, what's up? Are you looking for a safe place to park your cash while earning more than a traditional bank? Well, Empower's cash accounts might be the answer. I'm going to show you in today's video how to use Empower's high interest cash accounts. Let's get into it. Now, the first point is what exactly is this? Now, Empower offers a high yield cash account with the FDIC insurance through partner banks. Now, it's designed for storing emergency funds, savings, or cash that you don't want sitting idle. Now, how do you open this? From your dashboard, you're going to click Cash and then go to Open Account and then follow the prompts to set up your Empower Cash accounts in just a few minutes. Next point is features. You're going to get competitive interest rates, no account minimums, unlimited transfers, and of course FDIC protection up to aggregated limits across partner banks. Fourth point is the uses. Now you can use it to keep your emergency funds growing, hold money for near-term expenses, or just simply store cash while you plan your next investments. Your money should be working for you, even if it's just sitting in cash. And that's why this exists, so you can take advantage of that to your benefits. And that's pretty much it on the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.